climb inside the 2010 Chevrolet Aveo. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has less than 90,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as a panic alarm, OnStar, and side curtain airbags provide rollover protection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.